Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Sidra chain KYC update. If you are mining this project and you have not done your KYC, watch this big video from beginning to the end so you understand what you need to do for you to get verified. If you have not verified your Sidra chain, this video is for you. So I'm going to walk you through. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. So I joined Sidra chain mining March 8, 2025. That is 6 months ago. And if you look at here, my total daily token is just 52 ST. Reason being that, not that I don't want to take Sidra chain serious, but Sidra did not want me to be serious with it because each time it keep logging me out, and for me to log in, I will not receive the OTP. I will check the spam messages, I will not see it. I will check the normal messages, nothing. In fact, I have changed my Sidra password for more than 5 times. It is only when I change the password that is when I will receive the OTP to log in. And without me changing my password, I won't log in. So it keep logging me out. I even complained to my community. They say I should mind on the website, that I should not use the app. I started using the app, the same thing. Every day it will log me out. So I became tired. I started mining. I was having 330 something before self. I started being serious when this saga or this issue of Sidra chain bank China whatever. So I said, okay, let me try my luck again. I tried and I received the OTP, and since then it logged me out yesterday, but I managed to log in again. So but one thing you need to know here is, for you to be able to use Sidra chain smoothly, for you to withdraw, send, receive Sidra coin, you must pass your KYC. And to do that KYC, that is why we are here today. So now, if you click on this wallet here, for you to be able to swap Sidra chain, it will tell you, oh, KYC verification required. You must complete KYC verification to swap token. Without KYC, you cannot do anything. You cannot receive. You can receive, but you can't send out of your wallet. So what we are going to do now is to do the KYC. We are going to click here. If you click on this three line, now you can now locate this KYC port. Locate this KYC port. If you tap on this KYC port, allow it to load. So here you are going to see not verified. I'm not verified, and I know that. But I want to show you something so that you will know your fate. If it is what you can do, you continue. If not what you can do, there is another method for you to have a Sidra coin you can buy and store in your Web3 wallet. So here, another thing that is very, very important is to secure your wallet. For those that have passed the KYC, you need to secure your wallet. You need to secure your wallet. If you click on this two-factor authenticator, I hope most of us has done that. If you have not, go and enable this so that you can protect your wallet. Now they said identification, security, change your password, and that. Now for you to do your Sidra KYC, you click on verify identity. Tap on it. Just give it time. Now this is the issue. How to verify your identity. Now they say my appointment. Schedule and manage your verification appointment. So Sidra wants you to book an appointment. If you say, okay, document, let me add identity document. Now they said how to complete it. You need to upload your clear document. You book an appointment. The most important thing is that you must book an appointment and you visit and get verified. And they said so for us to book an appointment, you can see view my appointment. I don't have an appointment, but I want to shock you because I was going through this evening and this thing shocked me. I have been seeing people say book appointment, this and that, but I want to make it clear for you. Look at what they said. In-person verification required. In-person. Now let's read again. KYC verification must be complete in person at the branch during your scheduled appointment. What do you understand by in person? Booking appointment. That is physical verification. You are not going to do any online verification for this. They made it clear here. Let me open it for you. They say online verification is not permitted and will not be accepted. They made it clear, in-person verification. You have to book appointment, go to your branch and do your KYC. Without the physical verification, you are not going to verify your Sidra chain. So if you know that you cannot do in-person verification, that is the physical verification, kindly leave Sidra mining alone. If you know you can't do in-person verification, that is going to your branches to do this KYC. If you are Nigerian, if you are in East, they are doing this in Enugu. I think Enugu and Onitsha for now. That is the way I know. You can contact people that can tell you the location so that you can go there and do your KYC. They have made it clear online verification is not accepted. So if you are in India, ask people around, know your know your location and ask people where you can do your physical KYC verification. Without that, forget about Sidra. So this is what stuck me this night and I said, okay, let me update the community. So if you have been killing yourself here online verification, so many people have done this online verification, uploaded their documents and they have been stuck for more than 6 months. This is the reason why you are stuck, why your KYC has not approved. Go and look for your location, your branch. Ask people around, know where you can do a physical Sidra KYC verification. Without that, your uploaded document will remain pending till God knows when. So let me read it again for those that did not understand. Important. In-person verification required. KYC verification must be completed in person at the branch during your scheduled appointment. So what you need to do is to book an appointment based on your location and your branch. Then you go there on your appointment day and do the KYC. They said online verification is not permitted. And if you are like me that don't want this kind of stress, it is better I will show you, or I will drop the Sidra contract address on the video description. Go and use it. Import to your Web3 wallet, Bitget, MetaMask and Trust Wallet, Bitget wallet, MetaMask Trust Wallet. Import it there. If it is 1,000 naira that you have, use that 1,000 naira. I'm currently buying and selling Sidra, Ruby, any coin. If you want to buy, I will buy. If you want to sell, I will sell. If anyone you want, I'm there for you. Just use that 1,000, buy 1,000 Sidra, keep on your wallet and store it. You mustn't farm every airdrop. Any airdrop that will stress the hell out of you. Abeg japa, no be every airdrop that person need to kill him or herself. So I said, let me update you for those that are yet to do their KYC or those that their KYC are still pending. This is the reason. Go and look for your KYC. Go and look for the branch in your location and do the physical KYC. So I believe you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.